You may have come across the ads for the Sopami Car Coating Spray. These usually show cars getting an instant shine, water rolling right off its surface, and scratches disappear seamlessly and quickly. Let's go over and review the Sopami Car Coating Spray. The car coating spray is appreciated by many car owners for its ability to provide a glossy and protective finish that enhances both its appearance and longevity of many different vehicles' paint. One of its biggest advantages is its ease of application. It's designed to be sprayed directly onto the surface, wiped down without any regular or professional detailing skills. This makes it accessible for everyday car enthusiasts who want a showroom-like result at their home. The spray not only enhances shine, but creates a protective layer against dust, dirt, water, spots, and light scratches, helping maintain the car's exterior in a good condition. Another key strength is its water-repellent properties, which improves visibility during the rain, which makes it easier to wash off grime. For those seeking a quick and cost-effective way to boost their car's appearance and protection, Sopami delivers multiple results with minimal effort. However, it's not perfect. Despite its many benefits, the Sopami Car Coating Spray does have some limitations that users should always consider before buying. While it provides a nice shine and temporary layer of protection, it may not last long at all, as professional ceramic coatings, meaning reapplication is required for more frequent and maintainable results. Some users also note that while it repels water effectively, its resistance to tougher contamination, such as road salt or heavy mud, is very limited. For cars with frequent exposure to harsh conditions, the protection will not be strong enough to fully replace more durable coating or waxes. Additionally, improper application, such as using too much spray, not buffing correctly, can sometimes leave streaks or uneven spots on your car. Though the spray is user-friendly, beginners may need a little practice to achieve a flawless finish. Overall, the Sopami Coating Spray fills a useful niche in the car care market, offering a balance of affordability, convenience and effectiveness. While it may not replace the professional ceramic coating or premium detail sprays, it provides a reliable and accessible option for everyday drivers who want to keep their car looking fresh with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.